Hi, I have 487 PDF files in this particular folder, and from each PDF files I want to extract data for two different tables, table 1 and table 2. And I have developed VBA plus Power Query based solution as well as Python based solution. So let me show you the performance difference between these two. So let me run this Python 1 first. And I developed this Python 1 because Excel Power Query function was not giving me all the data that is necessary for that particular client. It was not finding some text from the PDF files. That's why I developed this Python based solution. So I'll pause this video and I'll get back to you again. It takes 165 seconds in Python. Let me run the Excel based one. And it takes 158 seconds in Microsoft Excel. The performance difference is not that big, but Python can extract the information correctly, whereas Excel was returning an error and it was failing to get the data from the PDF files.